In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can receive money on PayPal just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So to start receiving money on your PayPal account, it's super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to open your PayPal account like this, go to your PayPal homepage and click over here on your profile picture or your PayPal name and click over here on account setting like this. It's super easy. It will take just few minutes, so pay attention please. And it's gonna take you to this page as you can see. So what you will do next, you have here account setting, scroll down and go over here to account owner information. Okay, and here you go. This is your PayPal email that you need to send to people or to your customers to receive money. Okay, so if you want to receive money from someone, send your email, your PayPal email, that's your email that you use it to create your PayPal account. You need to send this email to your customers or to your friends or to your family so they can send you money on PayPal, and that's how you can receive money on PayPal. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.